Ciana cia aini aria akuru na ciana ciao thaici iria biki manyitete guoko na kwina andu teri tatatu manjirite banya no twende kuigua view yaku tondu uhoro uyu ni ukihiuhirie gwatiro guku kirimaine. Ngauga atiriri, music is a soul for the community, music is a spirit, na nikio wona ngina ini acio atene even after kuhuruka nyimbo ciao become bigger. Andu acio tumaririkanaga ni undu wa the new artists aria mekaga cover ya nyimbo icio. The new artist mangiaga gwika cover cia nyimbo icio uguo makwire ni kuriganirwo nao mangiariganire. Those musicians are alive in their music today ni undu wa the new artists. Alright, without them doing those covers, especially generation itu ayo mena responsibility ya guturirikania ni kwari na andu tacio by playing the covers in their own modern ways. Koguo kuhura the new artist kumatindikiriria ati matiga gwika uguo he handu tugukorwo tukihitia kiria biki magikorwo agitindika ri ni akiuga atiriri ciana ici ri tondu agikorwo spirit ya uinie thiini wanyu ri ikani the same thing, rutani nyimbo cianyu ona ciaga kuhititha ici ri hindi iyo ciana iria cigakorwo hindi iyo ri ni karuta nyimbo cianyu mucoki andu aya mareka new covers ri no magie na agreement makauga atiriri tondu ni nyimbo cia baba witu muraina ri mutigoturirikanaga mwatuikiria kanyamu ningi andu aya matigakorwo ningi melezi muno maikarite hau no gufindwo marafindwo na again mario na right tondu ni matigeirwo inheritance muciari wothe kiria akoragwo hetwo ni Ngai nikio atigagira ciana ciao. So no wega nao ma benefit from the new covers ona makamenyaga ababa ona maithe mao me muoyo through music yao ni undu wa the new artist. So sometimes it's not a matter of who is right and who is wrong. Sometimes it's a matter of bringing people together in an agreement to merge the old and the new. Dakore ko this new artist, this upcoming artist koro matinaga nyimbo cia andu acio makwire tokia mariganirwo tene. So ne matige kuhorwo muno andu acio matutige ni kuhura new artist na nywe ciana cia artist no wega kwenyihia tondu aya nio marathondeka mbeca tigani kumahura tondu matiga kuina maitha manyu ni mariganire biu. So tuangalie vizuri sana. It's not a matter of who is right and who is wrong. It's a matter of music being alive in the mountain. Wathi wakura wongagirirwo noki na ruru rutari njau ni guthira ruthiraga even in music. Ndreka ciana icio upcoming cine nyimbo icio muririkanage maitha manyu maririkanagwo. But if it's about just money for you, then muikare na othe muonage kanyamu. But also if the spirit of your fathers are in you, ona inyuina ni nyimbo muone how it is.